Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to zoom in Chrome. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Chrome. To zoom in Chrome, I'm going to teach you three ways to zoom in. First way to zoom in Chrome is click on the top right corner of these three dots. Just hit there, click that, and then go to right here, zoom. Once you click that, it will zoom. There, the first way. And the second way to zoom in Chrome, click on, hold on Control, and then use your mouse wheel. Go up. Go. And the other way to zoom in Chrome is hold Control, then click on the plus sign. Right here, and click on the plus sign. There. So yeah, that's how you zoom in Chrome. Hope you guys liked the video, hope you guys enjoyed. And a quick tip for you guys to zoom out in Chrome, do the opposite of what you have done. So if you use the keyboard to control, then plus sign, click on control and minus sign next. And you're using your mouse and your keyboard at the same time, hold the control and down to zoom out. And here on your browser, click on the three dots again and then click on this negative sign. So there. Hope you guys liked the video, hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.